Yes students, let's start exercise 5D, which is based upon these two identities. A cube plus B cube is equal to this. A cube minus B cube is equal to this. You have to learn these identities. First question, A cube is there but 27 is not in the cube form, but we can write it. Clear? Now apply the identity A cube minus B cube, where A is A only and B is 3. So replace A with A and B with 3. This is your answer. Next question, 64 can be written as 4 cube and this can be written as AB whole cube. Now what is A? 4, and what is B? AB. So replace A with 4 and B with AB. So here also in the same way you have to replace. Look here children. First of all, take common what can be taken out. 3, x power 7, x power 4. X power 4 can be taken out. Y and y power 4, y is taken out. Inside you are left with these two terms. So this as it is. X is in cube form and this can be written as 3y whole cube. Now we can apply the identity A cube minus B cube. This term as it is, and A is what? X, B is what? 3y. Put the value in identity, you will get the answer. Seventh question, this can be written as A cube. This can be written as 0.4 whole cube. So this you have to complete. Apply the identity A cube plus B cube. A is A and B is 0.4. Ninth question children. Here this is in cube form but 8 is not in the cube form. It can be written as 2x whole cube. So this also, by applying the identity A cube minus B cube, A is x minus y, B is 2x. So you have to complete this question. Students, we don't have any identity related to power 6. So we can write A power 6 in this form. Clear? Now it is satisfying the identity A square minus B square. What is A? X, A cube. What is B? B cube. So A square minus B square is A plus B, A minus B. Now here we can apply the identity A cube plus B cube, which is this, and A cube minus B cube is this identity. This is your final answer. 12th question students, again A power 6, A power 3. So what I did, let A power 3 as X. So how we can write A power 6? A power 6 can be written as A cube raised to the power 2. And A cube what we have taken? X. So this will become x square minus 7x minus 8. Now very simple. As splitting the middle term you have to split and this will be your answer. Still it is not complete because after getting the factors you have to replace x with A cube. We have taken here also A cube. Now here again you have to apply the identity A cube minus 2 cube. Here A cube plus 1 cube. So this is an incomplete question. You have to complete it yourself. Now question number 14th children. Here this can be written as 2A whole cube, B cube, and then you can combine the terms. Here what is common? Minus 2x. Inside you are left with 2A minus B. A cube minus B cube is A minus B into A square plus B square plus AB minus this term. Now you can see in both the terms 2A minus B is common, that I have taken. Here you are left with this full term, 2A minus B is common and minus 2x is left. Question number 16th children. Look here, combine the terms. Here when you will take 2 common, inside you are left with this. Here you can take 4 common, inside you are left with this. Now children, 2 as it is, x cube, and this can be written as 3y whole cube minus 4 into this. 2 as it is, apply the identity A cube minus B cube, that is A plus B into A square minus AB plus B square minus this term as it is. Now from this full term and from this full term 2 can be taken common and x plus 3y also can be taken common. This full term is taken out. You are left with this. And this is taken out. Out of 4, 2 is taken out, minus 2 is left over here. Yes students, this is not cube of any number, so you have to see what can be taken common. So 3 I took common. Here you are left with 343 minus x power 3. 343 can be written as 7 cube minus x cube. Now you can expand 3 into A cube minus B cube, you can apply. 18th question students. Show that this is divisible by 62. This is divisible by 62. This is identity A cube plus B cube. You have to apply the identity, that is A plus B into this. You can apply A square, then AB, A is 35, B is 27 plus B square. Now look children, you will get 62 multiplied by this. When you will divide it with 62, 62 and 62 will get cancelled. That means it is divisible. Because this is multiple of 62, so it is divisible. Last question, children, I wrote it in the standard form. This is not the statement, but you can see from your books, numerator can be written as 5.6 whole cube plus 4.33 whole cube. Okay, and in the numerator it can be written like this. Now apply the identity a cube plus b cube, that is a plus b, into a square minus ab plus b square. And you can see this term and numerator is exactly same, will get cancelled. What you are left with, 5.67 plus 4.33, that is 10. Okay students, with this our 5th chapter is complete. Okay, you have to maintain your notebooks because notebooks marks will be given, and your homework is to complete all the questions of this exercise which I left. Or do it sincerely and prepare your chapters well, and you have to appear for the exams also afterwards. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.